Images form a greater part of our websites. They are a form of communication and impression on the website. So in this video today, I'll be showing you a way of inserting images to your web pages using simple HTML code. So the first step of creating an HTML code, we need to create a HTML file. So to do that, I'm using Sublime Text. You come to File, New File. After having the new file, you come back again to File and then choose on Save As. So on the Save As, you choose the path where you want to save your file. I'll be saving mine here and then name it. Let's do it as images. And the extension of the file has to be .html and then save. After saving the images file, we have to start our HTML code. So we'll write this first default HTML code here, and the title of our page will be inserting images, and then save. So to insert image, you come to the body part and then use the image tag. So I'll be using img. For IEDs like Sublime Text, they always finish the code for you, but if you are using Notepad++, you'll have to finish the code on your own. After having this image, then you type in the image source. To get the image source, for example, our image is in the same folder. This is the image that I want to use. Our image is in the same folder that our HTML file is in. So to use this image, you simply need to right click and come on rename and copy the name of the file, because it is in the same folder as the HTML file. Then you come to HTML and paste the image path there, then save your file, come back to your Windows Explorer and open your file using the browser that you're using, and you can see our image is here. So let's say, for example, you are trying to add an image and it is not showing. So this might be some of the possible errors. If the image path file does not match the path of the image, you can see our image is PNG. So let me say we use JPG, and when you refresh, you can see this image is not showing because we used the wrong file extension. When that is rectified, you can see. Another cause of that might be if the image is in the wrong location. For example, the image file path is wrong. So let's try that. Let's create a new folder here and copy the image, or move this image into this folder. Let's just copy, paste, and I want to rename this image. Let's call it testing.png. So you can see the image is in a different folder with our HTML file path here. So let me try using the image directly as it is in this folder here. Come to rename and copy the image name, copy, then come and paste it in our HTML. Let's create another image source code and then paste, save, and when you refresh, you can see the image is not showing in our page. You can see the image here, it is not displaying in our page because the image file path is wrong. It cannot locate, our browser cannot locate the image location. So to rectify on this, you need to come to this image right click, and then you come to the properties. After coming to the properties, you can see this is the location of our image. So we need to copy this file path here. Copy. Then you come to your HTML and paste the path. After pasting the path, the next thing you need to do is pasting the image name and its correct extension. So come back to properties, and copy the image name, and then you paste. After doing that, you save your file, and then come to your browser and refresh. Oh, it's not working. Let us check where the problem is. Is it new folder or new folder? Oh, we inserted a wrong file path. Yeah, I think it's now correct. Let's refresh, and when you refresh, you can see the image is showing. So those are some possible errors that might occur if you are placed either a wrong file path or a wrong image extension. Let's say the web page does not load and you want to tell your viewers additional information on your image. For that, we use an alt tag. So alt tag, and let's call this image screenshot image, and save. Let's do some interference with the file path name and refresh. And when you refresh, you can see the image is not showing, but the web user will see that this was a screen image here. So those are some of the possible ways of inserting your image into your browser or correcting mistakes that might happen to your image or when your image is not showing the browser. Thank you for watching. Kindly support by subscribing, hit on the notification button, drop your comments what you think about this. Thank you so much.